What's good, guys? Dave Action Jackson coming at you live, representing Action Jack Fitness, and today's video is just basically going to be an unboxing video from Revlabz. And it's pretty much just like a starter kit. So if you don't know, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, so I'm just saying this just to say it. But Revlabz, they just did this Facebook promotion a few days ago, and it basically, like, you get a little starter kit. It comes with a little baggie, like a little drawstring backpack, pre-workout, and some BCAAs in a lanyard. And so I'm gonna show you guys what they look like after I do this, after I open the box at least. But because I just got this in the mail yesterday, while I was at work. As you can see, I had to use my keys to open this, so I don't have like a little knife with me, but you know, helps to be semi-prepared. Alright, so the starter kit, it comes with, and a shaker cup. So this is the shaker cup. Has a little Revlabz. Move, piggy, move. Missile, get out the way. Jesus. Hold on, guys. Hold up. Okay. So it has Revlabz. Really? Get your big out the way. Come here. Bye. Good day, mate. Okay, so it has a little Revlabz label on it. And this was only $20, so altogether it was $26 for tax and for shipping. Came with a little bracelet. It says Team Revlabz. I probably won't wear this though, because if you look at my arms, you can see I have a lot of hair on my arms. Not a good combination. But it's cool that I got one of these. So I got that. I got some BCAAs. This is green apple flavor. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It says Red Series, so it's by Revlabz, which is cool. This is I think 30 servings. Yeah, 30 servings. And here there is the green apple flavoring. There's some citric acid, some malic acid, sucralose, calcium silicate. They got the yellow coloring and blue coloring, which you get green apple. And the serving size is 1 scoop. So there is approximately 30 servings in here, 6.6 grams. There are 5,000 milligrams of insta aminos in here, which is branch chain amino acids. It's a 2 to 1 ratio of L-leucine, L-isoleucine, and an L-valine. And basically, like the two, I guess that would be like, it's 50% of leucine, 50% or 50%, 25% isoleucine, and 25% L-valine. So, yeah, there's that. And then they gave me, they gave me 3 of these. The heck? Oh, so they gave me 3 little sample packets. 3 little sample packets of this Pacific Sunrise BCAA plus CLAs and pre-workout. Which, if you don't know, CLA is just basically like weight loss powder. Or it supports weight loss, really, but that's the basic formula. Not really formula, but the basic thing inside of weight loss powders and pills is CLAs. So I'm not really like all that too familiar with them, because I've only used one time to like try it out, but I think it was one from GNC. Like it's one from GNC. I don't remember the name of the brand I bought though. But then you got the little backpack. I most likely will probably use this because they call this a gym bag, but literally like this will probably fall apart within like a less than a month probably. But yeah, there's that, and then there's this lanyard, which is it's the typical lanyard. But I like the color scheme of it, so it's black, red, and white. So that's everything, and then they gave me this little thank you card. So, a little thank you card, and then on the back it has Revlabz all over. So that's pretty much everything I got today, guys. In my next video, I'm probably just try out one of these little ones, and then I'll give you guys my review for this. But the next video I have planned after that is on leg presses, and no, I take that back. The next video I have planned is gonna be on this thing called accessory work from my dude Jason Blaha, because I feel like with him, this man, and I know I'm probably giving him some publicity. Yeah, I'm probably giving him some, but at the same time, I'm gonna tell you guys, like in 2017 and 2016, I got into an argument with him. Like I got into 2 in 2016 and 1 in 2017 with him, and this don't have anything to do with the video, but I just wanted to like throw that in there. I got into an argument with him over form. I got into an argument with him over how he deadlifts, and one over just like his bicep tendon basically, and it's just he really screwed the pooch, because he brought up a lot of stuff that I wouldn't even throw at anyone. Even if I was their worst enemy, I wouldn't throw it at them. But yeah, so I'm gonna talk about accessory work, because I feel like every time he says he's gonna do like accessory work, he never really does it. So I'm gonna tell you guys what accessory work really means and how you actually like put it into like a real workout. Because I swear, every time he says accessory work, I wish I had like $1 for every time he said that. And that's like hundreds of videos. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I know this video was kind of short, but I just wanted to like really just do this unboxing. I did want to make another video, but I'm kind of like, my throat kind of hurts a lot, and I've been busy all day, so I don't want to like take up too much of you guys' time. But anyways, I'm out. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a good afternoon. It's Saturday, so yeah, like I went to work earlier. I didn't feel really well, but I'm doing this, so I'm out, guys. I'm out.